Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on iOS 18. So I'm sure you're all aware that you can now hide apps with the latest update from Apple. So obviously you hold down an app and then you'll say require Face ID, hide and require Face ID, and then hide app, and that app has now gone. So when you want to find it, what you need to do is slide right, and then we want to scroll down, and then as you can see at the bottom we've got this little hidden widget here. So if you tap on that, and then it will do your Face ID, and then any hidden apps will then appear. If you want to bring it back, what you need to do is hold it again and then say don't require Face ID, and that app has now gone. So if you want it to come back onto the home screen, you need to slide right again and then search for the app. So we're just going to search for it, and there it is. And then what we want to do is just hold it down, and then we're going to say add to home screen. And there we go, the app is now there back on our home screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped it helped you out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.